At first glance, it's just another high-tech factory. But step inside, and you'll feel it, an eerie silence broken only by the whispers of machines, working without orders. What if I told you this place was built by something not entirely human? In the past, I tried the piano, only to confirm a terrifying truth hiding in plain sound. Analysis began, like some online script auto-checking ghost signals from Vegas, targeting engines and transmission from dusty books. Airflow weakened slightly, and I felt pain behind me, an old injury reawakened. From the 299-kilometer mark of Zhengxiang City to Baber Myers Beam US-2 factory, massive code letters emerged, sticky, heavy, spanning hectares. But output was always lacking, struggling to even cover kilometers of assembly. In this bizarre golden cave, workers wore yo-yo hem garments, mumbling about preschool prophesies and stabilizing times. Hair-thin details had to be preserved. Every thread of survival was critical. No stitch could be out of place. The factory coughed up its secrets. Steam rose from pale lakes. Shadows formed strategies by grabbing screws, dodging chairs, and exiting rented rooms before dawn. No one could see Super Bro anymore. He had disappeared under still waters, burned in last year's warehouse fire. Behind dazzling eyes, conveyor belts spun silently. Rural secrets were installed like formulas into today's processes. Any error could splash water out of the canal and drown the city. But every bolt, tightened by electric wrenches and CNC logic, eliminated human weakness. Steel, reborn again and again, filmed its own reassembly. Macro views revealed vehicles forming in under 10 minutes. Even a 2 per thousand deviation cause alarm. At the heart of this choreography, we reached a golden connection, a chrome tendon linking two steel dynasties. The electric switch sang its way through precision glass gates. Logos blinked like trapped fireflies. On failure, the AI auto-diagnosed within milliseconds. In Flower City, the top assembly line was building dreams, motorcycles, hybrids, even flying scooters. But always under sacred wind tunnel calibration, measure humidity, and mythic airflow. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was an oracle. Inside the furnace-like studios of assembly, genuine leather met artificial intelligence. Every screw knew its place. Workers moved like dancers. The slightest misalignment, and the whole sequence collapsed into chaos. From the rear tire to the power core, every unit whispered stories. Metal grew self-aware, tested limits, screamed through dynamos, and then fell silent. Final calibration required only one bold hand. The output, 315 kilometers per hour of controlled rage. The chamber adjusted for storm and silence. In its core, plastic belts met divine approval, and spray coatings blurred all resistance. Strange priests in safety helmets chanted part numbers, consecrating even the screws. This was no ordinary motorcycle. It was a ritual, a final fusion of muscle, mind, and machine.